Hey y'all, it's Russell. How much did I pay for this cheap Cummins powered diesel pusher? Let's get into it right now. Okay guys, first off, I owe you an apology. I'm sorry it's taken this long to get this video to you. Here's my invoice. This is a 1995 Oshkosh XC motorhome. It is a Fleetwood Bounder. It has just over 60,000 original miles. Final auction bid was $4,650. The funny thing is, it really came down to me and another guy, and that's probably at least $2,000 of that was just me and him back and forth. Copart auction fees were $938. The transaction fee was $299. My document fee was $99. That is a grand total of $5,986. Now, I did have to use Auto Bidmaster because I am not a licensed car dealer in the state of North Carolina. This was a dealer-only auction, so I had to go through a proxy, and that's where that $299 fee came from. So, in total, for this camper, I am in it for $5,986. I did have to get it towed out. That was $600. It was a slight pain. You'd be surprised how many people won't tow an RV, can't tow an RV this size, or won't go into a Copart yard. So the gentleman I found at Adams Towing said he was already going to be there, and he was bringing in a wrecked semi out of Greensboro into the Mebane Copart, and he could just bring this home. It was 16 miles from Copart to here, and it cost me $300 an hour with a 2-hour minimum. So the guy was awesome. He did a fantastic job. No damage to the coach. Very professional. And it was all about having the right equipment for the job. He showed up with that enormous rotator and just made quick work out of moving this camper. So if you're ever thinking about getting a camper, if it's far away and it doesn't run, you might want to consider your options. So I think that this is a fair price, $6,000 for this coach. Plus it's got the diesel generator. I do need to buy about $300 for the batteries. They're at Batteries Plus. I just haven't pulled the trigger yet. But that's okay. We'll take care of that. How'd I do? What do you think? Drop me a comment. So what in the world am I going to do with this camper? And the short answer is, I have no idea. I have drug home random stuff for the last 18 years, and my wife has put up with so much. But this one, she's actually really excited about. I just don't know if it fits the needs of our family. We love to camp. We camp all the time. We actually have a 21-foot that we won from the Raleigh Copart. Clean title. Donated. It's got bunk beds for the kids. There's plenty of storage. What I don't prefer is the fact that my bed is the kitchen table. And that's just not my preference. I don't know. Does this fit our needs? Maybe. I mean, campers are like tools. It's all about what you want to do. I'd love to take a road trip, and like a long one, and take my kids and see some cool stuff. Maybe this is the one for us. But I'd have to rearrange some things, like better sleeping spots for my kids. I guess I could just leave this table and turn it into a bed, but I might just take that couch out back there and put in a set of bunk beds. I'm really not sure. So the lift pump is right there. This guy. It runs off of a mechanical plunger, off of a lobe from the engine, and it increases the fuel pressure. I have to take all of this off without getting completely soaked in diesel and replace those 2 gaskets back there. Well, y'all, it is running. The lift pump is not leaking. I'm calling it a win for today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.